Welcome to Tool Spec. So in this video today we're going to try the CAT DX12 drilling through the center block. So we're going to do that in speed 2 because speed 1 is a little bit too slow to be able to drill through concrete. I got 4 bits. So the first one is a 1/4 inch. Second one's going to be a 5/16. Then we're going to do a 3/8 and a 11/32. So 4 different sizes, and we'll see how good we can go through the center block. This drill here have the hammer drill function. I'm going to go through this area here, like that you guys can see the drill going through at the bottom. So we will start with the 1/4 inch one. This I have a ratcheted head onto this drill here. I put the glasses on so you guys cannot see my eyes reaction when I do this because I might be scared. No, just so I don't get any dust in my eyes. Alright, so first drill, 1/4 inch, go. Second drill bit is a 5/16 and go. That was pretty quick. Our next one, 3/8. And go. And now our last one, 11/32. One, two, three, and go. Well, that was pretty quick.